Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make a character in the Emochi app in 2026. If you want to create a custom avatar that looks like you or design a completely unique character, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. To get started, open the Emochi app on your phone and sign into your account if required. Once you're on the main screen, tap the Create Character, New Avatar, or Customize option to begin making your character. Next, choose the base appearance for your avatar, including the face shape, skin tone, and body type that you prefer. After that, customize the hairstyle, hair color, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth to match the look you want to create. You can also adjust additional features such as glasses, makeup, facial hair, and accessories depending on the customization options available in your version of the app. Once you're happy with the face design, move on to clothing and choose outfits, shoes, and accessories to give your character its own style and personality. Some items may be free while others may require coins, rewards, or premium access to unlock. When you're finished customizing your avatar, tap save or done to create your character and add it to your account. You can then use your new character in chats, stickers, posts, or other features available inside the app. And that's it. That's how you can make a character in Emochi in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.